Business credit is one of the most powerful tools for growing your company. Unlike personal credit, business credit belongs to your company as its own legal entity. This separation protects your personal financial profile while opening doors to larger funding opportunities, better interest rates, and increased credibility with vendors and partners. Throughout this lesson, you'll learn the step-by-step process to establish and build a strong business credit profile from scratch. Business credit is a credit history and score that belongs to your company, completely separate from your personal credit profile. Just like individuals have personal credit scores, businesses can establish their own creditworthiness. This allows your company to borrow money, obtain financing, and establish trade accounts based on its own financial reputation rather than relying on your personal credit. When properly established, business credit enables you to access capital without putting your personal assets at risk. There are 4 compelling reasons to build business credit. First, it provides personal protection by keeping your personal credit score safe from business activities and potential financial challenges. Second, it unlocks higher borrowing limits, giving you access to larger amounts of capital for business growth and expansion. Third, strong business credit qualifies you for better terms, including lower interest rates and more favorable payment conditions. Finally, it establishes business credibility, making your company appear more legitimate and trustworthy to vendors, suppliers, and potential partners. 3 major bureaus track and report business credit. Dun & Bradstreet uses the PAYDEX score, which ranges from 0 to 100 and is the most widely recognized business credit bureau in the industry. Experian Business provides the IntelliScore Plus, also ranging from 0 to 100, and tracks your payment history along with public records. Equifax Business offers the Business Credit Risk Score, which ranges from 101 to 992, and monitors your company's overall financial stability. Each bureau collects information independently, so it's important to build credit with vendors who report to all 3. Building business credit starts with 3 essential foundation steps. Step 1. Form a legal business entity by registering as an LLC, corporation, or partnership. This legal structure separates your business from your personal identity. Step 2. Obtain an EIN, which is your employer identification number from the IRS. This acts as your business's social security number. Step 3. Open a business bank account to completely separate your business finances from personal accounts. This separation is critical for establishing credibility and building credit under your company's name. After laying the foundation, you need to establish a verifiable business presence. Step 4. Get a dedicated business phone number that's listed in your company's name, not your personal number. Step 5. Establish a physical commercial address for your business. This must be a real street address, not a P.O. box, as credit bureaus verify your business location. Step 6. Register for a DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet. This free 9-digit identifier is essential for building business credit and is used by lenders and vendors to track your company's creditworthiness. The most effective way to build initial business credit is through vendor credit accounts. Work with vendors that report your payment activity to the business credit bureaus. Start small and consistently build your payment history over time. Office supply stores like Staples, Quill, and Office Depot offer easy-to-obtain starter accounts. Gas and fleet cards from companies like WEX and Fuelman report to credit bureaus. Net 30 accounts with wholesale suppliers give you 30 days to pay without interest. Business credit cards designed for starter businesses can also help establish your credit profile when used responsibly. 4 best practices will maximize your business credit score. First, always pay early, ideally before the due date, to maximize your PAYDEX score, which rewards early payments with higher scores. Second, monitor your credit reports regularly by checking all 3 business credit bureaus for accuracy and disputing any errors immediately. Third, use your credit regularly by maintaining active accounts and making consistent purchases to show lenders you're an active, creditworthy business. Fourth, keep your credit utilization low by using less than 30% of your available credit limits, as high utilization signals financial stress to potential lenders. 4 critical mistakes can derail your business credit building efforts. First, never mix personal and business finances. Keep all transactions completely separate, as commingling funds undermines the legal separation between you and your business. Second, avoid late payments at all costs. Even one late payment can significantly damage your score and stay on your report for years. Third, don't max out your credit lines. High utilization signals financial stress to lenders and dramatically lowers your creditworthiness. Fourth, never ignore your credit reports. Errors and inaccuracies go uncorrected without regular monitoring, potentially costing you better rates and terms. Building strong business credit takes time and consistent effort, so understanding the timeline helps set realistic expectations. In the first 3 to 6 months, focus on establishing your foundation and opening your first trade lines with vendor accounts. Between 6 and 12 months, concentrate on building a solid payment history and gradually increasing your credit limits by requesting increases and adding new accounts. After 12 to 24 months of consistent, responsible credit use, you'll achieve a strong credit profile that qualifies you for major financing options, including business loans, larger credit lines, and favorable terms from banks and lenders.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.